Whoa, this is a pop-up tent that's UV protection, easy to use, lightweight, and it's got 2 doors. Boom, boom. Whoa, multi-top tent. It's a pop-up tent, guys. We got a tent right here. It's so easy to carry. Pop-up tent. Whoa, 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 whoa. That whoa. Whoa, this thing came alive, y'all. The tent is huge. That was so easy. This thing is nice, guys. Dude, it's got the double open door. This tent is so big. I'm inside the tent. This is such a cool tent. Pop up, easy to put together. The tent pops up so fast. That is it, guys. We have the tent. This tent got the windows. So yeah, you can close out the window if you want to. Yeah, you can put the windows up, windows hidden. Boom, there I am. So this set is so cool, guys. You got 2 double doors right there. You see right there? We got this 1 door right here. That's 1 door opening. And we got the back door. See, you can see right through the front and the back. The back door right there, the front door right here. Guys, this tent is pretty awesome. When you open up the front door, look how big that front door is. Huge opening. And then you can close everything up. You have a nice little tent. I like it. You can zip it up from inside. This tent is big and got 2 doors. This tent is incredibly awesome. This tent right here rocks, guys. Lightweight UV protection. Double door right here. This tent is awesome. Quick pop-up tent that you can get this popped up and then go in a very short amount of time. You can pop the tent up and you're ready to rock and roll. Oh yeah.